this is Hui Xu from Inner Art of Music. In this video, I will discuss the scale of B major played a third apart. Most piano students are able to play an octave apart scale. I also recommend to practice a third apart scale, which means left hand starts on the tonic, the first tune of the scale, and right hand starts on the median, the third tune of the scale. In B major, the tonic note is B. The median note is D sharp. These are the beginning notes of B major a third apart scale. From B to D sharp is an interval of third. That's why we call it a third apart scale. Comparing to the octave apart scale, a third apart scale is more difficult for both hands to be completely synchronized. Even though they share the same fingerings and notes, the permutations of fingering pattern are not the same. The fingering for a third apart scale will follow the octave apart scale fingering. The left hand fingering is 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. We begin with fourth finger and arrive on B with thumb. For regular octave apart scale, our right hand use 1, 2, 3 to play B, C sharp, D sharp. For a third apart scale, we use the same third finger on right hand to start on note D sharp. We play D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp. Use fingering 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now let me demonstrate slowly for only one octave with both hands together. My suggestions for the practice of a third apart scale are as follows. First, practicing it in a slow tempo and make sure you're playing the correct notes with correct fingering. Second, if it's necessary, practice hands separately. Third, have hands play together precisely with only one octave notes at a time. Then combine 2 octaves together. Then combine 3 octaves together. Then 4 octaves together. Then use the same method to practice the descending passage. After practicing a third apart parallel motion scale, do contra motion as well. Practicing every scale with contra motion will help you developing some basic hand independence and coordination. Now let me demonstrate in medium tempo for B major a third apart contra motion scale. I hope this video is helpful for you to practice a third apart scale in B major. If you have any questions, you may leave comments for me. Don't forget to share with others if you like the video. I will see you next time.